gonna learn about some facts about road signs. Have you ever seen any road signs when you, go out of your town or out of your neighborhood or out? If you did, put a like. So let's get on to our reading of our road signs fun facts. So let's go on to our reading. Fun facts about road signs. Road signs are placed at the side or above the roads. Road signs tell the drivers what they have to do. Different types of signs are street name signs, school signs, expressway signs, and speed limit signs. Drivers must stop at the stop sign. Drivers look both the ways. When the road is clear, they can go. Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you real signs. So friends, this is a stop sign. It also has written over. That means cars that come from different ways have to stop. A capital P stands for parking. A red circle with a line means no cars can park here. This is a no parking sign. This is a different kind of no parking sign. The one I showed you, that is different, and this is also a different sign. Because after no parking, it says anytime. Anytime means that whoever comes to park, they can park anytime. This is also a different no parking sign. It is also saying Monday, Thursday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. No parking. Drivers must follow the rules. A speed limit sign tells the driver how fast they can go. That is a speed limit sign. There is a school. That's why the speed limit is 20. It says 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. This is a speed limit sign for Monday to Friday. A railroad crossing sign looks like an X. Drivers must slow down, look, and listen. If a train is coming, they must wait. Have you ever seen a railroad crossing sign, friends? I have. Children at play is a common sign being used in American cities telling drivers to slow down. Such signs are seen more in areas where children play or study. A sign with 5 sides means a school is nearby. Drivers must look out for playing children. You see a photo of a sign near the writing? That is a school crossing sign. This is a school sign. You know why the school sign is here? Because there's a school 1 block away. I see below common safety signs. Friends, I've wrote down all of the signs I have seen in my neighborhood. Let's read them. I have seen stop signs, speed limit signs, parking and no parking signs, railroad crossing signs, children's at play signs, and school zone signs. If you also want. So friends, that is it of today's reading video. I hope you liked it. Bye-bye. And one more thing. When you go out of town, out of your neighborhood, or just out, if you see any road signs, check all of them out. And if you don't know the names of them, watch my videos and you'll know all about road signs. Bye! See you in the next video.